vermin! That insolent maggot!
I told you your size didn't matter. You still won't win. You see, all it really does is make you a bigger target.
Bigger target? I'll show you a bigger target!
Huh? Oh! You're not done with your growth spurt, are you?
Watch this!
Whoa!
This is insane! He's as big as a volcano! And he's about to erupt!
Just surrender!
Ha! Not a chance! Tenshinhan, take this!
This is...
Open it now! Yeah!
What's this? Oh, I see! So my evil containment wave was reversed!
You're Kami, right? It's nice to meet you. Picked an odd place to nap, but Goku rescued you.
Goku did?
How dare you!
That's better. Feeling small, are we? Better be careful. Getting angry is bad for your health.
You will perish! But pathetic! Do you really think you stand a chance against my power? The great Demon King will make you rue this day!
What? This feeling! I've never felt so much power gathered in one place before!
So much power! I can't believe my eyes!
Run away! No! Move it! Get as far away as you possibly can!
I'm not leaving without you, Goku!
Just go! I've got this!
Goku, listen! You cannot stay here! You must come with us!
No! It's too late! There's no time left for everyone to escape!
Try beam! Everyone, get in, hurry! It's our only hope! Let's go! Goku! You gotta get out of there! Flee, Goku, now!
Hey, move it! You're in danger, geezer! You'll die if you don't get in the hole. Now hurry up and move!
Die! Yes! I've won!
Goku!
What?
Surprised? You'll have to try a lot harder than that!
But how? You should be nothing but dust!
Me? Nah, I'm still here. You gave it your best shot, Piccolo, but it still wasn't enough to beat me! Now you're done for! My turn!
You survived the blast! You're a damn monster!
For this! How's this? Using all of your energy for a full-powered blast was your last mistake! So what's your next move? I gotta hand it to you. Taking that attack head-on was a huge gamble, but it looks like it paid off for you in the end, huh?
Take care, I'll unleash hell! They're trapped! Enough of these games! Revenge! I'll end you! Remember this! Take this! Take this! I'll end you! Remember this! Take this! Got you! Take this! I refuse to accept this, my new world of...
Almost there!
I will not lose to you! Victory will be mine!
I can't believe this guy! Even after all that, he still has this much power left?
I'll end this! Remember this! Take this! Gotcha! I'll end you! Remember this! Take this! Take this! Take this! You pathetic wretch! I won't let it end like this!
Yeah, well, you don't have a choice! Look how banged up you are!
What the? What are you doing?
Watch this! Me! What are you waiting for? Count it!
Huh? Oh, right! He's not moving. Do you think he's dead?
Not a chance. He's much tougher than that.
Right. Let the count begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Hanging on to the bitter end. Nice try, but your little battle is over now. First your right leg, then the left. Before you die, I'd like to thank you. Seeing you writhing in pain brings me more joy than you'll ever know. Now that I've deprived you of the use of your body, I shall deprive you of your life.
We gotta do something! He's gonna kill Goku!
There is a way to save him. You must kill me, Tien Shinhan. Junior will die along with me.
What? No, I can't.
You must hurry. I cannot take my own life. If you wish to save him, this is your only chance.
No, don't do it! Please, don't throw your life away! I can win! You gotta have faith in me!
No! You can't move! It's just not possible!
Finally, the moment I've been waiting for. For your crimes committed against King Piccolo, revenge will be mine! Die!
Goku!
Now you're just a pathetic pile of ashes. There's not even enough left of you for Shenron to piece back together. I've won! Goku is no more! A new age of terror and suffering begins now!
I swear, on my life, I'll make you pay for that!
Oh, Goku deserved so much better than this.
There's no need to grieve for your fallen companion. You'll be joining him in the afterlife shortly. You're a monster!
Damn you! Huh?
Hey, what's wrong, Krillin?
Hey, Tien, I'm guessing you've got King Vision. Is that who I think? Well, look who's coming back!
What?
It's him!
It's Goku!
I warned you! You Hey, ref, is that enough? Did he land outside of the ring? Can you tell? Have I won the match?
Let's see. Junior is... well, he's out! Goku has won! Let's hear it for our new world champion!
I did it!
You did it!
You did it! I knew it! Wow, you're really something else, Goku! And the way you dodged that final blow by flying into the sky? You never cease to amaze, world champ!
I did it! I won it all!